Hey guys, welcome to the Cricket Panda IPL previews. In the penultimate match of the league stage, we will have some context only if MI bats first, in which case they have a chance to replace KKR on the 4th spot if they beat Sunrisers by 171 or more runs. Historically, these two teams have been neck to neck, but MI have won 4 games in the last 5 encounters, including this season. MI have been lucky with the toss too. Playing 11 should be same for both teams except for Chahar, who should be included for the right-handed lineup of SRH. Abu Dhabi has been the most batting friendly in this leg and Mumbai have a terrific win percentage here, only behind Rajasthan. Chasing teams should win and both pacers and spinners should get help. Mumbai have been better than SRH in 5 of the 6 phases except for the bowling power play where SRH conceded at only 7.2. Both teams have struggled in the acceleration in the death overs. Let's look into the matchups. Rohit has on and off record in the context of this match, but he has been fairly consistent with the 30s this season. No issues against any SRH bowler, but averages only 18 against Sunrisers. All in all, a definite pick, but not recommended for captain or vice captain. Kane Williamson has a really poor record against Mumbai and has an average of just 8.6 in 5 innings. This is the only red flag, otherwise he has a decent record against Express Pacers and at Abu Dhabi. Good enough to be picked in the 11. Hardik hasn't enjoyed playing against SRH and averages just 12. Has struggled a lot against Rashid too and his past exploits on this pitch aren't enough to include him. Not in my team. Pollard has blown hot and cold against Bhuvi and has been unsuccessful against Rashid but dons a good average against Hyderabad. Has been decent at Abu Dhabi too. He should be in the 11. Kishan's numbers aren't desirable but he trumps Saha in the wicket-keepers category anyway. Roy is our captain pick today who has a fantastic record against MI and has been having a great year internationally. He likes pace on the bat and should do well against the MI pace battery. Surya showed some signs of form lately and can be picked over Tiwari. Pattern-wise, have Kane and Rohit if SRH chase while amplify Pollard if SRH bats first. Rashid, Bumrah, Holder and Kaul have been among wickets this edition while Sandeep, Krunal, Bhuvi and Bolt aren't recommended. Batting form wise, De Kock, Kane, Tiwari and Rohit have scored decent in the last 5 innings while Surya Kumar, Garg, Abhishek and Pollard have struggled. David Warner rules this category of head-to-head records with most runs, highest average and highest contribution to the team runs. Pollard, Dhawan and Bhuvi have also made an impact. This time, instead of bringing you 2 lineups, we have the Cricket Panda team which will be built in compliance with the data and patterns discussed, while the second team is an intuitive team built by the MI Pulton fan on Twitter, Ratnesh. End of the match, we shall compare and see who did well in this section of stats versus fan. So basically we have 3 highlighted players different in our squad and it will all come down to Roy, Abhishek, Kaul versus Samad, Bhuvi and Bolt. That is all from us today. Thank you for joining us in the preview. Please like and subscribe if you found it informative. You can also follow us on our other social media platforms including the website where you can dig extensive stats on IPL. See you in the next one.